It is the continuation of the previous class, that is the previous video. Different types of operators. Different types of operators. The different types of operators: arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, increment and decrement operators, conditional operators, and special operators. Conditional operators and special operators. Here, the arithmetic operators we have discussed here: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are all the arithmetic operators. And we have seen a program on modulo operator, that is remainder operator. We have seen a program on modulo remainder operator. And then relational operators. A relational operator checks the relationship between two operands. A relational operator checks the relationship between two operands. A relational operator checks the relationship between two operands. If the relation is true, it returns 1. If the relation is false, it returns 0. If the relation is true, it returns 1. If the relation is false, it returns value 0. These are all the relational operators. These are all the relational operators. Less than, greater than, less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, not equals to, and double equals to. These operators are used to check the conditions in a program. And logical operators. The logical operators are used, the logical operators are used to check more than one condition in a program. The logical operators are used to check more than one condition in the program. If you want to check A greater than B and A greater than C, if you want to check A greater than B and A greater than C, in that case, multiple conditions need to be written in a single statement, that is if statement. So, to club multiple conditions in a single if statement, we need to write by using, we need to write the statement by using this logical and or not depending upon the task. And is true if both conditions are true. Or is true, any one condition is true, then or operator gives true value. It returns true value, otherwise false. and then not condition. It is used to reverse the logical state of its operand. If not true, then false. Like that. And then bitwise operators. A bitwise operator works on bits and perform bit by bit operation. Bitwise operator works on bits and perform bit by bit operation and perform bit by bit operation. In that, the various types of bitwise operators are various types of bitwise operators are bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise exclusive OR, bitwise left shift, bitwise right shift, and one's complement. Bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise exclusive OR, bitwise left shift, and bitwise right shift, and one's complement. These are the bitwise operators. And the next one is assignment operator. Assignment operator in C is equals to the sign is equal sign. Assignment operator in C is equal sign, that is equals to. It assigns the value of the it assigns the value of the expression on its right side. It assigns the value of the expression on its right side to the variable on its left side. It assigns the value of the expression on its right side to the variable on its left side. See, these are some examples on assignment operator. We have used this assignment operator in the previous example, that is addition of two numbers, and example on modulo operator also. In addition of two numbers, in a program addition of two numbers, a is equals to value, b is equals to some value, and c equals to a plus b. The statement is c is equals to a plus b. Here a plus b is the expression, a plus b is the expression, and equals to the value after adding these two variables, that is the numbers which are there in these two variables. The resultant value is assigned to the variable c, to the variable c. Here x is equals to 7. 7 is assigned to variable x. X is equals to 7. 7 is assigned to variable x. And x is equals to y. Assigns the value of y to x, leaving y unchanged. So here in the second statement, 7 is assigned to variable x. First statement, 7 is assigned to variable x. And in the second statement, assigns the value of y to x, leaving y unchanged. Assigns the value of y to x, leaving y unchanged. And then z is equals to x plus y plus 7. Z is equals to x plus y plus 7. Value of expression x plus y plus 7 is assigned to z. So here the value of x is 7 and the value of y is also 7, and again here directly we are giving the value that is 7. The total x plus y plus 7, these are 7 plus 7 plus 7, that is 21. 7 plus 7 plus 7 is 21 is assigned to a variable z. Now if you print the value of z, it gives 21. It gives the output as 21. An assignment statement is the statement that contains assignment operator. An assignment statement is the statement that contains assignment operator. C language supports following assignment statements: general assignment statement, declaration assignment statement, multiple assignment statements, compound assignment statements. General assignment statements, declaration assignment statements, multiple assignment statements, compound assignment statements. An assignment statement is the statement that contains assignment operator. An assignment statement is the statement that contains assignment operator. C language supports the following assignment statements. First one is the general assignment statement. General assignment statement. So here the general assignment statement, that is a value or expression which can be assigned to the variable. A value or expression can be assigned to the variable, that is variable is equals to value or expression. Example, c is equals to 5, d is equals to c plus 4. A value or expression can be assigned to the variable. Variable is equals to value or expression, that is example, c is equals to 5, d is equals to c plus 4. Value 5 is assigned to variable c. Value is stored, 8 is stored in d variable. Value 5 is assigned to variable c. Value 8 is stored in d variable. Value 8 is stored in d variable. Declaration assignment statement. Declaration assignment statement. A value is assigned to the variable at the time of declaration. A value is assigned to the variable at the time of declaration, that is example, int a is equals to 5, float y is equals to 2.5, char s is equals to a. Declaration assignment statement. A value is assigned to the variable at the time of declaration. A value is assigned to the variable at the time of declaration. Int a is equals to 5, float y is equals to 2.5, char s is equals to a. A value is assigned to the variable at the time of declaration. Like this. At the time of creating variable only, we are giving the value to that variable. That is called declaration assignment. Declaration assignment statement. Multiple assignment statement. A single value or expression can be assigned to more than one variable using multiple assignment statements. A single value or expression can be assigned to more than one variable. A single value or expression can be assigned to more than one variable using multiple assignment statements. They are also called as nested assignment statements. They are also called as nested assignment statements. See the example here, variable 1 is equals to variable 2 is equals to variable 3 is equals to expression. Variable 1 is equals to variable 2 is equals to variable 3 is equals to expression. That is P is equals to Q is equals to R is equals to 5. It means the value 5 is assigned to P, Q and R. The value 5 is assigned to P, Q and R. A single value or expression can be assigned to more than one variable using multiple assignment statements. They are also called as nested assignment statements. Variable 1 is equals to variable 2 is equals to variable 3 is equals to expression. And then compound assignment statements. These are very important, and these are provided especially in C programming language, especially in C programming language, that is compound assignment operators or compound assignment statements. Compound assignment statements. C provides following compound assignment operators: plus is equals to, minus is equals to, star is equals to, slash is equals to, and percentage is equals to. The statements that use these operators are called compound assignment statements. The statements that use these operators are called compound assignment statements. C provides following compound assignment operators. These are the statements that use these operators are called compound assignment statements. Plus is equals to, minus is equals to, star is equals to, slash is equals to, and percentage equals to. These are very important and especially provided in the C language. These are called compound assignment statements. I'll show you the programs also on this. See here, variable plus r is equals to expression means variable is equals to variable plus expression. A plus is equals to 20 means A is equals to A plus 20. A multiplication symbol star, that is equals to 9. It means A is equals to A star 9. It means A is equals to A star 9. Variable plus r is equals to expression. It means variable is equals to variable plus expression. Variable is equals to variable plus expression. Example, A plus r is equals to 20 means A is equals to A plus 20. A star equals to 9 means A is equals to A star 9. And then increment and decrement operators. And then increment and decrement operators. So here increment and decrement operators are the unary operators. These are the unary operators. The increment and decrement operators are the unary operators. It comes with postfix and prefix. These operators we can use in a postfix and prefix expressions. Like if the variable we have declared is a, if a variable we have declared is a, then the expression can be written either prefix, that is pre-increment plus plus a, and post increment a plus plus. See here, a plus plus a minus meant is the post increment and post decrement. If the value of d were a, this statement assigns the value of variable d to variable c first, and then the value of variable d is incremented by 1. This statement assigns the value of variable d to variable c first, and then the value of variable d is incremented by 1. Hence c becomes 8 and d becomes 9. Just observe this example. The value of d were 8, c is equals to d plus plus means first the value 8 is assigned to c, then afterwards the value is incremented, that is d by 9, d plus 1, that is 8 plus 1, and it becomes 9. The c becomes 8 and the d becomes 9. So this is called post increment. First it evaluates the expression, it assigns the value of d into c, from d to c, and after that the value is incremented by 1, and after that the value is incremented by 1. Then conditional operator. So here the conditional operator is the special operator provided in C language to evaluate the expressions like a greater than b, to evaluate the expressions like a greater than b. The conditional operator is question mark and colon. The syntax is expression 1 question mark, expression 2 colon, expression 3. It is also called as ternary operator. It is also called as a ternary operator. The ternary operator like take three arguments. The ternary operator take three arguments. The first is a comparison argument. The second is the result upon a true comparison. The third is the result upon a false comparison. The ternary operator take three arguments. The first is a comparison argument, the second is the result upon a true comparison, and the third is the result upon a false comparison. Upon a false comparison. The ternary operator takes the example. See the example here. Example, that is a is equals to 30 and b is equals to 10. A is equals to 30, b is equals to 10, c is equals to a less than b. C is equals to a less than b within the brackets question mark a colon b. C is equals to within the brackets a less than b question mark a colon b. Check expression 1. First it checks the expression, that is a less than b. A less than b. So 30 greater than 10 is true. The final value of variable c is 30. I will show you one program after that. And special operators are comma operators. If you are declaring a variable, multiple variables, that int a comma b comma c, int a comma b comma c, and then size of operators, to know the size of a variable, size of a union, size of a structure. The size of operator gives the memory size of a data type. And the reference, that is address operator. Reference is the address operator. Generally we use this operator in scanf function to store a value by taking from the user through the keyboard and assigns it into a variable. And dereference operator, there is a pointer operator, dot operator, and access operator. These are all special operators. These are all special operators. And comma operators are used to link related expression, that is int number comma marks, like that. The size of operator, see the size of operator. The size of a unary operator that returns the size of data, constant, variable, array, structure, etc. Example, size of int that is equals to 2. Size of char that is equals to 1. Size of int that is equals to 2. Size of char that is equals to 1. The size of char is equals to 1. And these are the special operator reference. So I will show you one example on this increment and decrement operators. Increment and decrement. Examples on operators. Here I am declaring a variable and declaring three variables, int a comma b comma c. And giving this clear screen function to clear the previous output if any. I am initializing a is equals to some 10. I am writing b is equals to a plus plus. A plus plus is the increment operator. In that one, two types of operators are there, that is pre-increment and post-increment. This is the post-increment operator. And this one, b is equals to, is the assignment operator. I am printing the value of b comma b, percentage d comma b. Just expect the output what it gives. Save this file with .c. op dot c. I am giving the file name as op dot c. Example on operators. Example examples on operators. So here C variable is not used. Just remove this variable. No need. And again save this file. A is equals to 10, B is equals to A plus plus. Printf percentage d comma b. Printf percentage d comma b. Now run this file, compile this file and then run the file. Execute the file. No errors. No errors. Success with zero warnings and zero errors. Zero warnings and zero errors. And go to there, run the program, see the output. The value is, the output is 10. The value or the output is 10. The value or the output is 10. Observe this program. Int a comma b, clear screen, a is equals to 10, b is equals to a plus plus. The output is, that is 10. Here 10, again the 10 is storing into this b, and then it is showing, that is the b value, that is 10. Now I am modifying this program, that is plus plus a, plus plus a. I am modifying this program, that is plus plus a. Now compile this program. No errors and no warnings. No errors and no warnings. And then run this program. Expect the output. The output is 11. In the previous, that is b is equals to a plus plus, has given the output, that is 10. The a value is 10 and the b value is 10. The a value is 10 and the b value is 10. But in a pre-increment, post-increment and pre-increment, both are unary operators only. Both are unary operators only. But in a pre-increment, first the value is incrementing it by 1. First the value is incrementing it by 1. Then the value is assigned to the variable b. Then the value is assigned to the variable b. And the value is assigned to the variable b. And example on compound assignment. assignment operators. Here I am taking only one variable, one more variable, that is b also new. B is equals to a plus r is equals to 10. B is equals to a plus r is equals to 10. Expect the result. No errors here. No errors. Just expect the result. Expect the output. Run this program. Yes, and see the output. What is this output? 848. Just initialize the value with a is equals some 100. Otherwise it takes a garbage value. Otherwise it takes a garbage value, so that only it is showing a different number, that is 848. I am initializing the a is equals to 100 or 80. For example, say 80, a is equals to 80. And again I have written a statement that a plus r is equals to 10. The compiler evaluates this expression as a is equals to a plus 10. A is equals to a plus 10. The compiler converts this expression as like this. The compiler converts this expression as like this, that is a is equals to a plus 10. So a is equals to a plus 10 is a normal expression. In general, everywhere we write like this type of statement in routine life. But a plus r is equals to is a compound assignment operator, especially provided in C language for doing this kind of, or for writing this kind of statements. Instead of writing a is equals to a plus 10, we can write a plus r is equals to 10. A plus r is equals to 10. Now run this program, save, and go to compile, no errors, and go to run this, control F9. Yes, then see the output. Just observe the value, observe the output, the value that has shown on the monitor. So the value that is 90, the value that is 90, it means I have initialized the variable a with the 80, assigned the variable a with the 80, and the statement a plus r is equals to 10, it is again converted internally as a is equals to a plus 10. Again it converts internally as a is equals to a plus 10. So the value of a now is, after the compound assignment, that is a value is 90. The a value is equals to 90. So, and then condition, I will show you the program on conditional. These are the different types of operators that we have discussed in this class. Different types of assignment statements, compound assignment, increment and decrement, and ternary, comma, and special operators. Special operators. This is about the types of operators. Types of operators. Thank you.